Hello, everybody. Hopefully you're not sleeping right now. I'm clear that I'm in the dark side, as they say the speaker before. I'm in the side of the business. So what I'm going to explain today is a little bit the new option that you could have if you want to jump from the research to the dark side and you want to start with a new business. And as you know, in the current context that we are living right now, one of the problems is to find money. You can go to the banks, of course, but you will see the answer. Probably it's going to be no, or please come with your parents and your family, and we'll see the warranties. There's not a lot of options. There is a new option that is running up from the United States and also in UK, and now is landing in Spain, that is crowdfunding, that it was usually starting for social and cultural industry, but right now it's opening to other industry. I'm going to explain a little bit what is the crowdfunding concept. Basically is someone has an idea to convert this idea in a business project. They load this idea in a platform, in a crowdfunding platform, and using all the social medias, Twitter, Facebook, and all other tools, they promote it, and then they get to a large population to promote this idea and to find out some fundings. Normally, if they fund it correctly and properly, then this idea will convert in a project, in a business project. That's the object of this of the crowdfunding. Okay. Of course, the idea has a very clear purpose to be a business, to convert it in a business. That's why the speakers before they were talking about that. There's an important need is to convert the research and the research that you are doing in the academic side to convert it in products or services or technologies. And one of the ways to convert it could be to publish it in a large way using, why not, the crowdfunding. Which are the different types of crowdfunding? As I explained to you, it started from the cultural side and social side, but right now it's opening to other industries and other services that they need capital, because as you can see, in the traditional way to find funds right now, it's not possible to find the total funds to run the businesses. Last year, the statistics was for about $3 billion of projects were running up by crowdfunding around the world. And this is a new way of funding that is growing and growing and growing. And the crowdfunding can fund, or you can find funds in a different stage of your idea. It could be in research, it could be in concept, in idea, when it's a seed, when you're starting this business, or it can be when you are a startup, or when you are trying to find some funds to expand your business. But of course, at the end, you have to, the investors or the people that give you money have to see that you have a clear intention to convert this idea, research, concept, idea in a business, okay? The different funding models can be a donation. That means that people give you money and they don't wait to have any compensation back. It could be with compensation, so they are waiting a reward in exchange of the fund that they're giving to you. It could be another type of crowdfunding could be the P2P kind of loan. Okay, you give money and then they give you back the money back plus an interest. Or it could be a co-production to share the benefits of the business that you are trying to run. Or the other way, it could be to enter as a shareholder of the company that you are trying to run up. The different models also can be the different ways that you are funding. I mean, there are two different ways of crowdfunding platforms that they want to success fee. That means if you are an entrepreneur and you need 10,000 euros, if you don't found this 10,000...
Time's over?
Oh. Okay. So thank you very much. That was quite short, but please, I will give you my contact details, and if you want, I can send it to you this presentation. Okay. Thank you very much.